Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Angelo Simpin, and I will be telling you the story of Tuko and the Birds. Now, let's start off with the characters. Introducing the characters. We have the eagle, the robin, the pigeon, the parrot, and of course, Tuko, or also known as the lizard. The people who lived nearby loved their evenings because of these bird songs. We could see the children playing with the sand, we could see the women washing the cooking pots, and the men fishing with nets upon hearing the birds. It could also mean that they knew it was time to go to bed. What was that? The birds chirped, all at the same time. Suddenly, something dreadful crouched nearby. The creature was the size of a young crocodile, similar in looks as well, except it was covered with more scales, and it was just about the average size of a lizard, I guess. "What are you?" trembled the pigeon. "I already told you 5 times, snapped the creature. "I am Tuko, the lizard, and I've come to sing with you." The birds looked at each other. "How did you find us?" "My ears followed your singing," responded Tuko. "Can you sing for us?" asked the robin. Tuko screeched the whole week, and the birds couldn't sleep nor sing. The people of Maynilad were tired too of hearing Tuko singing. And without the birds singing, they didn't know when to go to bed. "We'll think of something in the morning," responded the eagle. So the eagle spent the entire morning circling around the island of Luzon until he found the bee's nest dangling from the branch of a tall tree. He then snipped the hive and carried it back to Mount Pinatubo. The eagle goes on to find Tuko and gives the bee's nest to Tuko. I see you like bees. More? More. Yes. Good to know. I just know where to find more. The eagle just knew what to do. So he went out to find the tree, pecked on the tree, took some sap, and applied it on each bee. So the bees were planted to attract Tuko. Tuko followed the trail, and Tuko was nowhere to be found. Now that Tuko's gone, everything was back to normal. The birds were singing, the people were vibing, and no Tuko to be found.